Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. We're in a bathroom renovation, and this is a fairly big bathroom. However, we fit a lot in it. So the customer wanted a separate tub and a separate shower, and then obviously a vanity and a toilet. So in order to incorporate that into this room, we had to do, actually this is Chris's project, we had to kind of improvise and figure out some good ways of doing it. There's also a pocket door going into the ensuite bathroom. So we have two doors, we have a tub, we have a shower, we have a vanity and a toilet in an area that would look suitable for, most people would think, you know, a shower, a tub shower, a vanity and a toilet. So what they did end up doing is they put a vanity in the corner here, and then this is a side split home. So what we ended up doing is having our good friends at DNF Insulation come in. They spray foam the whole wall. Much better than, you know, insulation and vapor barrier. It seals the area, never going to have an issue. So I would say money well spent, certainly in this application. And then we did the shower. So this is going to be a really cool shower. So it's got three sides of glass. So this area here, you can see our Provo board, our weedy niche. We're going to have a rain head and a slide bar with a thermostatic valve. And then both sides are going to be glass. The front will be glass with a door going in. So compact shower, but still a pretty good size to be showering in, and it has a great niche, which is a good option. We also built it out a little bit here too, because it is a side split. So we were on the other side, or the good side of the insulation. Toilet in this area, and then we were able to fit in a nice built-in with two walls. We're going to tile around where the Provo board is with a wall mount set of faucets, which is really cool too. So we'll come back here next week and we'll just talk about the electrical and the finishing of this project.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.